to get to see how.
YouTube video.
That's right. Yeah.
Bite him, bite him, bite him.
Sure. Let's do it.
This is fun to watch. This is fun to watch. Not get. Ah.
And ah.
Oh wait, cooking. My first instinct is to ridiculous. You got me in the chest now. So dead. Okay, stop. Your volleyball's so loud.
Go for it.
I thought that y'all were having fun with it last week, so I was just kind of.
It was in the bag.
Yeah, like this bag has finally changed.
Because that's, I was so hoping that you'd win because I was talking to her. I was just like, we got Weege, we got Rick.
Yeah, it's like you lose. Yeah, you lose that much.
Oh, I see.
So the king only has 4 defenders and there's 8 attackers.
Oh, I see.
And that one's corner cap.
10. So where do you want to go? I mean, and every 15 seconds, you guys have to do your signature move.
You have to do your idle animation.
Ricky, go!
Are you dead?
Yeah.
Oh, it's dead. I'm excited to come out to Tonks, you got it! You got it, Tonks! The guy who's way on. That's her. She's the guy who... Alright, I got the left side. Alright, maybe you missed.
Oh, God.
Weapons up! Lay on. Oh god, we immediately split. Oh, that was good!
Dead.
Ah, dead. Oh, I killed you. Hey guys, let's keep killing one of them and losing until he's the last one on the side. Hey. Oh, got it. Oh, leg. Not a hit. Get him. It'll confuse them. You go low, I go high. Oops, that's all I learned. I lost an arm too this year. Oh, yep, got me. Oh. Weapons up. Lay on. Watch out. Watch out here. Stay close. Oh. Dad, no, you're alive. Mine was slow. I got back.
Okay, get on there.
Nice.
You're up. I'm done. Hey. God, so much carb. Leg. Hosting. Ooh, nice.
Oh, solid.
I tried.
This has been a fun 7 months just getting this park off the ground. Like, I've had people that have been here since the beginning, and I have new faces showing up. Woo! And I just want to give my thanks to everybody that's come out. Like, it's definitely helped keep me going. Like, support from Dag Fighters. Like, it really does mean a lot to me. I can start with the statement of a new officer, somebody that has been out since the beginning of the day. Well, since the beginning of this park. I'd like to call Garenzo to the court. Garenzo, as champion, you promise to defend the realm and all that reside within.
I do.
I know that you will do good as champion because I know that you have good ideas. You've done great work at Fighters Practice as just a pro town officer, and I'm proud to have you as my champion for this reign. Now, if you could join me up here. Yeah, now you can come up. Yeah. My goal for this reign is to try to grow this park as much as I possibly can. We will be meeting every week starting next week. So more fights, more credits. So we'll be meeting once a month with our friends in Fort Tirith up in Durham to go fight with them. I thought it's only fair to fight with them after they've come to fight with us. It's a lot of fun, a more physical game for sure. Like, it got my blood pumping. But I think that's all I've got to say. Anything that I forgot will be going on Facebook and the Discord. So I'm gonna dismiss the court. And oh, by the way, I won the election.
The best.
Long live the best.